We did it! We rescued Backpack and Matt. We couldn't have done it without your help. Gracias!
Thank you!
Tap play again to play with us again. Play again! Hola, Boots! I'm so happy to see you, buddy.
Dora, it's terrible! Backpack and Map, they're missing!
It'll be okay, Boots. We'll find them. Where did you last see them?
In the rainforest!
Don't worry, mi amigo. Let's go to the rainforest and find our friends. Vámonos! We need to pick up my friend. Move to a different lane when there's something in our way. Drive over musical notes for a special surprise. Yeah! This. Cuidado! Drive over rainbows for a super speed boost.
Whoops!
Cuatro.
This is great! Whoops!
Cinco. Excelente. Seis. ¡Qué mágico! Keep tapping the screen to move between lanes. Siete.
Whoops!
Ocho. Nueve. Try to go around it next time.
That's
2 friends. We picked up mis amigos and made it to the rainforest. Excelente. Now let's all work together to find Map and Backpack. Todos juntos. Ahí está. There's Map.
The big wind is blowing him away!
We've got to save him.
We need to grab Map.
Skip.
You caught him! Gracias!
Ahí está. There's Backpack at the top of that mountain. We have to take Benny's balloon to get up to her, but there's only room in it for 2. Come on, Boots.
Oh no! Backpack is falling!
We've got to rescue her and get back all her stuff. I've got the perfect charm to help us. A condor. Help me fly the... Skip. Fly around branches and rocks in our way. They'll slow us down. Let's fly over rainbows for a super speed boost. We got it. Gotcha. We got it. Let's fly through the wind for an awesome trick. Fly us over to Backpack to save her. We got her. Muchas gracias.
Is Backpack going to be okay?
Claro, Kate can fix her with our help.
Let's help Kate fix Backpack. Tap along the tear in Backpack to sew her up. Backpack looks better than ever. Thanks for helping. Only one more thing left to do. Let's help place
Skip.
Great work!
We did it! We rescued Backpack and Matt. We couldn't have done it without your help. Gracias.
Thank you!
Tap play again to play with us again.